Hey, I'm here with my friend, and we both love fall and Halloween. October's a busy month full of changes. The leaves are changing, the temperature's changing, our focus is changing, and we're starting to prepare for winter and the holidays. And the real estate market is changing. You've probably seen, heard, and felt the shift in real estate over the past several months. We're now moving toward a buyer's market. But don't let that scare you. It means more inventory and a more relaxed market for the buyer. For sellers, there's always buyers out there. If your home is priced correctly and prepared for the buyer's eye, it will sell. If you need help preparing your home to sell, I work with a company that will take their payment at settlement. This is very rare. However, they're a great company and they take the hassle out of it because they take care of everything. So contact me for more details and let's talk about how we can get your house ready to sell. If you're considering retiring soon or downsizing, let's talk. We'll design a plan that decreases your stress. A word of caution, and we've seen it happen, it's best for you to do this before you officially retire. If you're considering moving abroad, as a certified international property specialist, I've got you covered. I've got contacts all around the world and I'm happy to help. October is breast cancer awareness. Encourage your wives, mothers, sisters, daughters, aunts, cousins, friends to get their mammograms. Breast cancer is now the #1 global cancer for women. Let's work to change that. In this newsletter, you'll get market updates. You'll learn how to use paint to fix any room. I answer the questions, can you back out of buying a home? And help you get some tips on meeting your neighbors, preparing your home for winter, and you can even find out what the Hubble saw on your birthday. So don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. I'd love to help everybody. Have a happy Halloween and be safe around the world.